Hey guys, Teaira Walker here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is brought to you by Tresseme. I am doing a super duper uber sleek ponytail tutorial, heatless, for our natural gals. We do not always want to put heat in our hair for a sleek ponytail, so I got you. So you do want to start off with dry hair. You want to blow dry it on cool or like air dry it. My hair is super thin, so I could like air dry my hair and it'll be fine. Then I'm going to take the Tresseme Tress 2 Extra Hold Gel, and you do need a gel for a heatless ponytail tutorial. So I'm going to just put my hair into like a fake ponytail and start to massage the gel in. And I like this gel because it has an extra strong hold, but it lasts long and it's a mega hold to the hair. It's an alcohol-free formula that provides the hold you need all day without the sticky wet look. I don't mind the sticky wet look, but if you don't like it, Tresseme got you. It has a humidity resistance formula, which is cool too, so it helps keep the frizz away or zay honey. You just want to sleek that gel into the hair and massage it into the hair just to get that super duper flat, sleek ponytail. Then I'm going to take a edge brush and take out the edges that I want to keep out before sleeking my ponytail down even more and forming it to where it stays in place. So now I'm going to take the Teaira. This is a wax stick, and I'm just going to grab this stick, just grabs all the extra hair. I'm just using that, and then I'm just going to brush this ponytail even more, massage the Tresseme gel in. We want our ponytail to be sleek, honey. No heat, but we need it sleek. Ooh, that rhymes, bars. So I'm going to put it into like a fake ponytail, and then I'm going to blow dry it on a cool setting. You do want to blow dry it a little bit just because you want the gel to kind of form and set. Then I'm going to take the freeze spray and I'm going to add that on top of the gel. The gel and the freeze spray acts as like best friends. I don't know, it's like you need both of them, okay? So the gel like sleeks the hair down, and then the freeze spray just molds it and makes it it makes your hair hard so it just stays in place all day. So after you spray it, you want to blow dry it on a cool setting. And I like to do this because when you do this, the ponytail it forms. Ponytails should not be too tight at all. That's why we did mold it the way we did with the gel and the spray. So it shouldn't be tight at all. We don't need any headaches. We want a nice ponytail that we can wear for days without giving us a migraine, okay? And anything that's out of place, you want to take the Tresseme gel and just mold it back and make sure everything is in place. Just perfect the ponytail, honey. Then I'm going to take these rapid styling strips, and I like to use the strips because it's just, while everything is drying completely, it just molds it into place. It makes everything stay in place, and while we finish up the ponytail, it's drying and it's staying in place. These are like necessary, you guys, for a super sleek ponytail if you have natural hair. Then I'm just going to take an oil, any oil, and oil my ends because we don't want dry ends, honey. Then I'm going to braid that ponytail, and then I'm going to take the Tresseme gel and just gel the ends to make sure it's like in place, all formed together. Then I'm going to take a rubber band and just tie that together just to protect our ends. We don't need our ends pulled by the bundles. So now you're going to take your tracks. You can take any track that you want, and I'm going to take 2 rubber bands, and I'm going to tie the rubber band to the track. And then once that's tied up, I'm going to tie that rubber band to the end of my ponytail, my braid. This helps the track stay in place and not fall and slip. You could brush it, you could comb your hair, and it still stays in place. You don't want no tracks slipping, okay? We don't need our ponytail falling apart. So then I'm just going to wrap the tracks around the braid, and this is kind of self-explanatory. Just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. till we get to the top. And then once we get to our end, we're just going to wrap that around the ponytail. I ended up taking a half a track because the track actually didn't go all the way up to the ponytail. So you do want your tracks to reach the top of the ponytail. So then I'm just going to wrap that around until everything is covered. We want our hair tie to be covered. We want everything to be looking great and perfect and covered. And then you're going to take the end of that track and just wrap it around the ponytail, just so nothing slips, nothing falls out of place. And then I'm going to take the freeze spray and make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And then I'm going to blow dry it on cool. Now I'm hyped because the hard part is done. Then you want to take a piece of hair to cover the tracks that we placed. You do have to cover your ponytail just to make it look extra sleek. You want to brush it out, make sure the hair is combed and detangled, and this part is super sleek because you want it to look good. Then you want to take some freeze spray, spray it down, and then blow dry it on cool. This part is very important because this helps the ponytail to stay in place, and the parts that covers the tracks stay in place. So you want to spray it and then blow dry it on cool. You can actually blow dry it on warm if you want to. Like if you do want to use heat, you don't have to. But when you blow dry this part on warm, it kind of just like sticks it in place and it doesn't move. So you do want to smooth out that part, make sure everything's looking good, blow dry it, make sure it's fully dry. This part you do want to make sure it's fully dry. And then you can keep the hair like this if you want. You can use a mousse and just keep it like this and do it completely heatless, but this is not my real hair, so I was like, why not just put some wand curls in it? I wanted a looser curl just so it could give me more of a classy look, but then towards the end I was like, I probably should have just kept it in its natural state. So you do not have to use heat on this part. You can just keep it natural if you want to, but I just decided to put some wand curls in there. And then I take off the wrap strips and everything is looking good. You can use the Tresseme gel to just slick down your edges. I only slick down my sideburns, but the rest I just kind of like make it, like put it in place without it actually sticking to my head. It just looks more natural that way. So now that the curls are in place, I kind of didn't know if I liked it or not. I brushed it out, figured out what I wanted to do with it. I was just all over the place with this ponytail, y'all. I couldn't get it right. But once I decided on how I liked it, I did use the Tresseme Micro Mist Level 2 Curl Spray just to spray everything in place. It has an invisible hold for a natural finish to your curly hair. It's great for 2A and 3C curls. So the super fine technology controls the frizz and keeps humidity for 24 hours. That's what's up. It holds the curl definition, and yes, I'm just spraying this into place, making sure my curls are lasting, and then I'm just gonna do my makeup, finish it up, and that's pretty much it for this look, you guys. Let me know if you are going to try out this super sleek ponytail. Thank you, Tresseme, for sponsoring this video. I have a link for the products that I use in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.